Affiliate marketing on Pinterest works when you actually care about the person. It doesn't work when you use these hacks or tricks that you find here on YouTube. I am Kate All, the owner of Simple Pin Media. We are a Pinterest marketing agency, and today I'm going to share with you how to really be successful with affiliate marketing. And sometimes you might not have those $1,000 months, but you're going to build a long-term sustainable revenue source that is going to actually care about people and help serve them with the products that you're pushing. So I said that affiliate marketing works when you care about the user. Here's what I mean by that. People on Pinterest go there to search, to dream, to find ideas that really help bring value to their lives. Well, when you take and you just slap up an affiliate marketing for 10 great outfits for spring, but you actually don't really care about what's trendy for spring, people can see through that after a while. They're not going to click. They're not going to engage. But when they feel that somebody's actually engaged with a topic, they care about the niche, they care about what you're wearing for spring, they are much more likely to trust your suggestion, which has your affiliate link, which in turn makes you money. Affiliate marketing in general is just, I find a product, and let's say I sign up for their affiliate program, which earns me a commission. So let's play it out. I find this really amazing purse company, and they make this incredible wallet that I actually use and own. I have seen rave reviews about it. I love it myself. And so I approach the company and I say, do you have an affiliate program where I share this with my audience and I earn a commission? All affiliate programs are different. So that means one company might give you 5% of every sale. One company might give you 30% of every sale. 30% tends to be more people who are individuals selling courses or digital products because they have a little bit more room there to absorb the cost of the affiliate commission. Whereas what we see on physical products is it tends to be much lower. So the company says, yes, I would love it if you would promote our product. Here is your special affiliate link. This is unique to you. And whenever you share this affiliate link, you get a commission every single time someone buys. That's just a general overview of how affiliate marketing works. And it's pretty standard across the board. One question that people have about it is, will this particular link last forever? If somebody clicks on it, do they have to purchase right away? Can they purchase in 30 days or 90 days? Most affiliate links track between 30 and 90 days. So that means if I click on the link today, and then I go to buy the wallet in 2 days, I still earn commission. Or somebody else buys the wallet in 2 days, I still earn commission. If they buy it in 28 days, I might still earn commission as well. When you're exploring affiliate marketing programs you want to enter into, that's something to look for or to even ask about. How long does the cookie last after somebody clicks on the affiliate link? So now that we know what affiliate marketing is, let's talk about really effective strategies for Pinterest that make affiliate marketing work. Number one is you have to care. You have to really care about the person on Pinterest as they are searching through the platform and trying to find things that they love. Pinterest is very visual, which means that people are not going to read a long blog post there. They're going to see an image. Let's take our wallet example. Maybe there's a picture of me holding the wallet and it says best wallet ever. Now I've piqued their interest because as a woman, I am looking for the best wallet ever, literally every day. And I want one that's going to be sturdy, stand up to the test of time, and really have all the compartments that I need. But I can't put all that information on Pinterest. So I have to back up into something that's very catchy, piques my interest. And then I click on this image and I go to a blog post. This component is essential because people need to be warmed up to the product, which is where I share how much I love it, I gush over it, how amazing it is, and why I think they should buy it. The second component to affiliate marketing that makes it successful is going very niche. Now, most businesses have a niche that they're in. I'm in Pinterest marketing, not Instagram marketing. Somebody might be into women's fashion for 30-year-olds versus women's fashion for 50-year-olds. or vegan cooking versus keto and all meat. When you get very focused, that's what people want. They don't want somebody that's talking about 100 different things. They want somebody that's only talking about something in a specific niche. What this also allows you to do for affiliate marketing is get very honed in on the products that you want to share with your audience. You're not trying to share with them vegan cooking alongside this amazing wallet. If you're talking about fashion or you're talking about accessories, stay in that lane. Every single Wednesday, I put out a newsletter called Pinterest Made Simple. The one goal of this newsletter is to bring you the top 3 things you need to know about Pinterest for that week, in addition to any other resources that you would find important or can help you do a better job of marketing on Pinterest. It's about a 5-minute read, but you're going to want to read a little bit more in the links that I put in there. So maybe 15 minutes of time, but it's going to make you a better Pinterest marketer and find the resources that you need to continue to build your business using Pinterest. To subscribe, go to simplepinmedia.com/newsletter. It's a link below in the description, and it's totally free. Every Wednesday, pick up the Pinterest Made Simple newsletter. The other part that makes Pinterest so friendly to affiliates is that you can tag and you can link directly on the platform. Now, I wouldn't suggest this as your number one strategy that you're going to use with affiliate marketing on Pinterest because of the reason I just gave you. People need more context. They want to know more. So sure, anybody and everybody can upload a picture of the wallet and I can embed my affiliate link and it will go directly to the product site. But I don't know why it's an amazing wallet. I don't know anything about it and I haven't heard any reviews. People love reviews. I don't know if you bought anything on Amazon, but the first thing I do is look the stars up in the corner and I go straight down. And I go for the low reviews first because I don't want to be the sucker that buys the product that gets screwed later because it's a crappy product. So that being said, you have all these hurdles in the way of buying this product. So anybody that tells you affiliate marketing is so easy, you just put up the product, put up the affiliate link and people go buy it. No, that is not how it works. People on Pinterest need context. They are cold buyers. They are not ready to hit the buy button right away. Warm them up with a blog post. I've mentioned this a couple of times, but shopping intent on Pinterest is big. People are interested in shopping, but like I just said, they're not ready to hit the buy button on the ready right away, especially if the cost of it is greater than $50. People right now are holding on to cash. They're not interested in dropping money, just $100 for this, $200 for this, $300 for a wallet. They need to really understand the why behind why they're purchasing this product. But what they have is shopping intent. People on Pinterest, it's like the shopping mall, right? You can find anything and everything from the comfort of your own home. This is really important to know about that shopping intent, is if I go onto Pinterest and I'm searching for the best wallets, I'm not going to buy the first one. I'm going to gather probably 10, maybe even 20 over the course of a couple days, a couple weeks, even a couple months. I'm not ready to make my buying decision immediately, but I do have shopping intent. So I'm not saying you shouldn't put affiliate links on Pinterest at all. You absolutely should, but you need to do it in a very strategic way. So here are my 4 tips for you for getting greater exposure for your affiliate links, which means you're going to make some more money. Number 1 is lifestyle content. So I just gave that example of showing the wallet in the picture and showing the wallet with best wallet ever. Which one do you think people are going to buy first, or at least click on first? They're going to be really intrigued by best wallet ever almost immediately. Lifestyle content like that gets an increase of 32% higher engagement. So instead of just putting up those kind of stale images, which they're not bad. We definitely want to add those to the platform, but we want to have something that's more lifestyle, seeing something in action. And don't forget video. Showing context of whatever you're actually promoting is a really great way to show what you love about something. Maybe you have a really great kitchen tool that you could hold up and say, okay, here's the kitchen tool, and you take a picture of it, but I don't know what it does. You show it in action and we all do it. We're like, oh my gosh, I need that immediately. So use video, use static images, but use lifestyle content that you can get to promote that affiliate. Tip number 2, show a tutorial, show a longer form video. Now, long form video doesn't really work well on Pinterest. It's not the place where people go like you're on YouTube. They're not going to watch something for even 5 minutes, but they will come to your website where maybe you have a YouTube video on your website that's longer, and they will watch that because they've got both words and they've got video. A really important thing for you to note is not everybody loves a tutorial that is in video. Some people like to read, some people like to watch. It's all about how our brains take in that information. So if you have all of your affiliate links embedded in a blog post that warms them up as you're talking about how amazing this wallet is, but also has a video there that's longer that explores the details of the wallet, that gets way higher conversion rates than just a very stale like blog post with, hey, this wallet is awesome. I'm not going to buy it. I want to know why you think it's awesome. Number 3, okay, product reviews and comparisons. I talked just a minute ago about Amazon, how we all read Amazon reviews. On your website, kind of build up your own reviews or take screenshots from the website of other people's reviews. This is a really great way to create social proof that the product you're trying to promote is actually really good. So you are just one person, right? And you might love this wallet, but there might be some feedback over there of people feeling a little bit frustrated about a detail or a component of the wallet. Take a screenshot of that. Be honest with people. I'm much more likely to click on a link or buy from somebody that says, I love this wallet, it's amazing, but I do want you to know a little bit about the drawbacks or the things that people are saying they don't like. I am much more likely to purchase something being eyes wide open about something that's like just kind of maybe a little bit off. It's a little bit annoying. I might be willing to put up with it in order to purchase this amazing wallet. Again, what I'm getting to is it's all about the context. It's all about showing the full details and most importantly, the connection. What you've shown to me in this blog post, which I would argue does not have to, you don't have to spend tons of time writing it. It doesn't have to be hours and hours and hours. But what you've shown me is that you have some sort of connection with it. You actually know about the product and you can truly recommend it to me instead of just pulling up 5 great wallets, grabbing affiliate links and just putting them on there. You don't know why they're great. You don't even know anything about the wallet. You're just putting them up there hoping that you're going to get a click on an affiliate link. I think that is a garbage way to serve people in business, and it makes those users way less trusting of the blog posts they see with affiliate links. The last tip is to match trends. On Pinterest, there is this trend pattern. So people throughout the year, they look for things at certain times. Maybe they're looking for swimsuits starting in January because they know they're going to take a break in March or even the summer. So there's always these peaks and valleys to things that they're searching. People aren't searching spring fashion in fall, but they might search it in late winter. You want to match the trends. So taking our wallet as an example, you could match it with summer travel. Let's say it's a really great wallet that you've traveled with that you really love. You can say one of the best wallets for summer travel. Now, not only is your blog post something that can be evergreen all year round because it's just talking about the best wallet, but now you've created a Pinterest image with just that slight change, and maybe you even changed up the pin description to say best wallet for summer travel. Now there's a different level of engagement where people can come to your site and they can read about this wallet that they can travel with all summer. Okay, make sure you watch our video about Pinterest trends. That's going to give you full details behind it. It not only will help you with your affiliate marketing strategy, but it's going to help you overall with your content marketing strategy. Here's what I want to leave you with. There are so many videos right now on YouTube about how to do affiliate marketing, but that was my big push to do this because I think there is this belief that it is a one and done. It's super easy. You're going to make thousands and thousands of dollars. It's much harder than that. And I want to be honest with you about the things that you need to do to really make a sustainable income. When you avoid these hacks and you really lean into caring about your user on Pinterest and you match it up with really great affiliates, you're going to make money and maybe even more money longer term in a better way, but it's not going to be quick and it's not going to be overnight. And so I don't want you to go into it having watched another video about affiliate marketing and think it's going to be quick and easy and get super disappointed. If you do it in the ways that I'm telling you, and if you match it up to really caring about your end user, you will be successful. And this will help you grow your revenue with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more honest and true Pinterest tips from someone who has been doing Pinterest marketing for over 10 years and working with so many different clients. That is what this comes from. It comes from our data. It comes from the resources we have. And I want to give that to you instead of just one experience. This is multiple experiences.